last video we set up the OpenRouter AI credential. In this one we're going to set up a credential for an AI that's installed locally on our own computer. Now the AI that we're going to be dealing with is called Ollama. I'm not going to be going into a lot of detail here. I will show you how to quickly set up an AI in Ollama. Firstly, download and install it on your computer. You can get there from ollama.com. Once it's on your computer, start it up and come up to New Chat up here, and then down in the search box you'll see a little drop down. Now I've got two models installed. I've got the E4B and the E2B, but to install one of these you're looking for the little download icon. You just click the little icon next to it, and then if you type in a chat message and press send, if you don't have any models downloaded, the one that you've selected to download will automatically download, and then you'll be up and running. So in mine I've got those two. I've got E4B and E2B. So if you wanted to chat on your computer, you select the model, you can type in your message and send it. If you want to use this with your local installation of N8N, just have Ollama running, and then we can go into N8N and create the credentials. So let's go up to create credential, and we're going to search for Ollama and continue. And then the only thing we need to fill out is this base URL, because this base URL works with an API key, which we don't have. Because we're using Docker, we need to change this. We can get rid of this localhost bit, and instead of that we want host.docker.internal. So host, whoops, I got that wrong, host.docker.internal : and then the port. If we click save, we should see connection tested successfully. Okay, so that has now been added, the Ollama account. Let's go back to our joke workflow, and I'm going to remove that. Let's just close that so we can see. I'm going to remove the open router, and let's add instead an Ollama. Now this is on my own computer. For this to work, as I said, the Ollama has to be running on your computer. I can select the credential, and then I can choose the models that are installed in Ollama. And you'll remember that I showed you we've only got two installed in there, E2B and E4B. So that's working, and we'll leave the AI agent as it is, tell me a joke, and then we'll click execute workflow. Okay, we've got an error. I've obviously done something wrong here. Yeah, it's got Llama 3.2 selected and I haven't got that installed. So let's select a model and then click on execute workflow, and we'll open up the logs. Now this will take a little bit longer. Ollama, this Gemma model, does a fair bit of thinking. Okay, it's executed successfully. So it then gives me its thought process. Request, the user asks for a joke, goal, provide something engaging and appropriate, and then it goes through its thinking down here. And then at the end, it does actually give me a final output generation. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Okay, so that was using the Ollama chat model from the locally installed, in other words, installed on my own computer, AI. So you can use OpenRouter, and that is the one that I would use probably for most work. Or if you want, you can try and install AI locally and run it by setting up credentials for Ollama.